Hello everyone, this is Jem from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 9th of February intraday analysis. On this video, we will cover some news first, then we will just go ahead with our charts. First of all, we have received this morning the data from Germany. That was the balance of trade. So how was that data? Let me just explain. Expected was around 10 billion euro surplus, but the actual number is only 7 billion euro trade surplus. This is really low for the last, I can say, for the last 5 years. In even in the pandemic, it has declined fast, but still there has been some trade surplus higher than this. So what's happening there? It's the thing is happening is energy prices. Energy prices is just limiting production level of German industry. At the same time, it's just raising the cost of the goods. So in Germany already there's a high population of a high older population. That means labor market is just getting really lower levels, and this is keeping prices higher, pushing prices higher, as they don't have that much labor. There are a lot of countries in really poverty lines, and then Germany, they have like a really low skilled jobs, at the same time really high skilled jobs. So they are making these traded surplus, both of them combination. So in the world, in Asia Pacific region is especially, and there are a lot of countries are just stealing these skilled labor jobs, and Turkey was one of them, not in Asia, but with the bad of their president just devaluing their currency, and then trying to steal this kind of low labor and maybe like a medium skill labor goods. It's affecting these Germany and China. It was the biggest partner for Germany, and it's rising and rising each day. China is just selling more goods to Germany each year, each day. That was it. In future, we may see some kind of just break even, then deficit in Germany, trade-off balance. That was the news. All right, let's go ahead with our chart. First chart is about GBP USD. As you can see here, GBP USD is on rise. Reason is dollar index. Dollar index is not recovering completely. So 10-year bonds are on sales. People are just dumping that bonds, and this is affecting the price of like the level of dollar index as well. So it's on decline, but eventually it will just recover, and then it will just make some moves on that side. It's expected, because rate hike always just brings some more fresh valuation to dollar index. Even the pricing of the possible rate hike in March has made dollar index rise to 97 levels. So it will happen again, but right now it's on decline, and GBP USD is rising. So as you can see here, this level has been like a tested but declined. Now GBP USD is about to test this level, maybe, we don't know, but RSI is just limiting that one. So we will just wait for the move of dollar index. If it just rise again, if it just make another move, we will see that decline. It's possible. So please just be careful on GBP USD trading. Let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is Ethereum. As you can see here, Ethereum is just recovering from its ashes. As you can see here, it was almost 2000 in here and in the 24th of January. And right now, yeah, I can say $1,000, 1K dollar higher than this level. It's really good rise. All right, it has tested this critical level of that one, and before testing the higher one, and then rejected for some level, but still it's not getting away from the resistance area. It will just try its chance a few times more. Then if it cannot succeed, we can just see overall decline in the cryptocurrency market. But right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum and the other altcoin as well are just trying to pass their critical resistance level. And if this momentum, if this rally goes on in cryptocurrencies, we may see a higher level of that one, but it's on critical level. Just don't think that like it will just go higher and full stop. It may go. I'm not saying like it cannot, but still there are places. For example, this one has been really critical level for that one. On the previous crash, it couldn't test that one. It has tried a lot of like 3 times. And when the investor didn't believe on that one, it just declined fast. So it's in the same level of this trial. So if it doesn't make this trial doesn't end up successful, we will see more decline. So please be careful on Ethereum trading. Let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is Tesla. As you can see here, with the Nasdaq sell-off, it just declined from 1,200 levels to 800 levels. So it has lost 30% in this sell-off from 3rd of Jan to from the beginning of Jan until the end of Jan, we can say like that. It has lost 30% of its value. Then from this point, people just said, all right, it's just publishing good earnings and it's just going up. So as you know, there are big expectations from Tesla. What are they? So first of all, in Shanghai, they are just building new addition to their factory, and with that addition, they will just go up almost 1 million cars in that factory. It's really huge because like their current capacity is almost 500,000, and they will just double that amount. Addition to is Giga Texas. Right now, they have completed the build up. They are just making the inside, outside of factory is ready, and they are making test production any day now. Like next week or in 10 days, beginning of March, we can see like a full serial production in that place. In March, there is a visit of Elon Musk to Germany, Berlin. Probably it will be opening ceremony of that one, because you remember like the dancing moves in Shanghai. Elon Musk, like it has been so viral on recent years. It was from the opening ceremony of the Giga Shanghai. We may see the similar moves, similar event, like the viral events in Germany, Giga Berlin opening. So with these news, the production capacity of Tesla will just double. So imagine it's already the leader, and then they are selling all the cars they have produced. And if they just double their amount, so their earnings, their potential will just grow, and they will just get a lot of attention. That's important. I still see a high chance of testing these levels because this company has a lot of things to offer. This valuation is not something like overvalued, because they have a car manufacturing technology company, and just imagine they are Ford, Google, and at the same time, and they are they are offering internet, and they're offering other features. They're a combination of different companies, so we cannot say this is only a car company. It's a combined company, and it's an energy and facility company. And even they have superchargers, and in some countries they are competing with oil companies with the number of the superchargers. At the same time, they are making some margin from their places. So it's a good point if you ask me, and from this point it may go up this. Just wait and see. Alright, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news this afternoon with more news and more charts. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.